gentlemen, welcome back. Episode number 6, Behind the Counter with Nick Allen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just got done with Easter. Easter has come and gone. You know what that means? Springtime. Springtime, you say? That's right. Spring cleaning. It's upon us. Now, how can we make our houses look just a little bit better? Well, I've got some solutions for you. Speaking of solution, this little guy right here, KR7C, I'm telling you right now, this bad boy in your shower can clean up that grout, that hard water, the nastiness, the soap scums, can make it look like a brand new shower, 100%. You don't need a new shower. You just need this to make it look like new. Bing! So, once you get done, you're going to have some dirty hands. Got some dirty hands? Not a problem. Hand wipes. Boom. Little pumice over here. Cleans your hands 100%. Got some garbage? Not a problem. You've got some garbage in your house. There's no doubt in my mind. Let's fix it. Let's solve it. Let's get it out. Trash bags. Heavy duty trash bags. Throw whatever you need in. They're not going to rip. They're not going to tear. These are heavy duty. That's the only stuff we sell here at Eckart's. Let's talk about the outside. What's sitting in your driveway? Car, truck, van, SUV? Yeah, it needs to be clean inside and outside too. How can we make it clean and inside and outside? Boom! Lucas Oil has a solution for that as well. So this week only, we are going to be selling this bad boy, a nice little kit to clean and detail. $29.99. That's right, $29.99. But you buy this kit this week, I'm going to throw in this nice little Eckart bucket. 100% 5-gallon bucket to clean the outside. Make it look just as good as the inside. So, I'm going to tell you what, I'm going to see you soon.